I was called out on a Zline RG48 range with a gas leak. Customer complained of smelling gas after install. They call the gas company. The gas company comes out, puts a sniffer down around the unit, and says that they can sense gas coming up by one of those eyes even with the unit off. So I removed the top, started soaping down all of the individual joints, and I got to this little joint right here, and you can tell that it's blowing quite a few bubbles. There's a lot of gas coming out. That's a pretty bad leak. It was enough of a leak you could smell it when you walked in the house, which was a little scary. But anyhow, I cleaned all that up good, got all the soap off, and then once we get the soap off of it, I come back and had to run the nut off and back on a time or two to get it to actually snug back up the way I wanted. It finally snugged down about a I don't know, an eighth of a turn or so more than it was. So once I got it all snugged down, I came back and soaped it back down again. You know, here we're testing it after the repair, and I want to make sure that all was good. So soaped it down good. We got good gas pressure. All the eyes are igniting the way they're supposed to. I soaped all the other joints inside the machine. So basically everywhere there's a joint, we soaped it down to make sure we didn't have extra leaks. So everything's working good. Another successful repair. Thanks for watching.